How do you feel about this? Not very good. Not very good.
Sobbing into the window.
Yes. I also have my friend Veronica here helping me out. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go get the materials. Alright, don't hurt yourself.
You can escape now.
Okay, we're in the bathroom, so it's like, it's echoey. Okay.
Doesn't she look evil? What? You're okay, baby bear. Look at it, it's nice. Nice, yeah. Oh, it's so nice to be happy.
And here she is after her bath. All nice and clean.
Yes.
Oh, you should have.
The weather was very dirty.
Should have heard her crying. Oh, the poor
She
thing.
thanked me. She's like, thank you for taking me out of there. It's so nice to be happy. So
Now we just have to dry her off, and then you'll see her go crazy.
You shake? Can you shake again? Can you shake again? Look at all that. Yeah, come on, do it again. Do it again.
You want to get out of here?
Ready?
Right, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go on. She gets so hyper. Oh, there she is. Hi, honey.
Remember we had that
Go
rubber duck?
upstairs. Go on. In there. No.
Remember when we had that rubber duck and we kept
What's that? What's that? Hush now. Quiet down. Can you hear my heart racing? Falling to my knees 'cause I've been chasing